So one of the things I didn't mention in the previous video was the effect on the total effective herbicide or in-season control, and how that might influence the different harvest weed seed control efforts. So if we said before I had 97% here for herbicide overall control, so 3% survive the in-season sprays, and what the effect was if we killed 73, 87 and 98% in our harvest weed seed control system for an 80% capture. So for both of the 87 and 98% kill, we actually get a declining seed bank. The decline is more significant with the 98% mill, but both are certainly declining. Now the problem is if you change the scenario to 96% overall control with your herbicides, so 4% survive or escape, then all of a sudden the difference is, it's really about tipping the scale. So your 98% kill machine is actually driving the numbers down, and 87% machine is spiraling out of control. So I think the lesson here is it's really a bit like compound interest. You know, you've either got the bank against you or you've got the bank with you. If your savings are compounding versus your debt is compounding, makes a massive difference. So I think the seed bank is very similar to the bank in that respect, and basically what we want to be doing is throwing everything at it from a herbicide control and then applying mechanical control at the rear end of the season to try and capture and kill as many escapees as possible. I think, you know, the weeds affecting the crop is one thing, but this will be a totally different story when you start adding in herbicide resistance. So just the key takeaways, again, the number of viable seeds per plant determines the overall required overall control required to deplete the seed bank. Herbicides alone are going to struggle to do this task alone. You really need huge percentages kill. Ryegrass sort of above 99%. Applying herbicides and weed seed control measures can make a big difference. And we need to be thinking about survivors percentage rather than percent kill, because the percent kill doesn't give you the feeling that there's much difference, but there really is. Lower cut height chasing weeds causes more wear and cost, but it's like applying a higher rate of chemical. And more pulverization is going to cause more wear and power, but again, it's like applying a higher rate of chemical. The seed paint is like compound interest. Get the money in your savings account, not in the weeds. Thanks very much.